Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a brownie recipe. And for this you'll be needing 185 grams of unsalted butter, 185 grams of dark chocolate, 85 grams of plain flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 50 grams of white chocolate, 50 grams of milk chocolate, 3 large eggs, and 227 grams of caster sugar. So you need to grease your pan here, and this is a pan that I've got. It measures 11 by 8 inches. It's rectangular, but you can use a square one if you've got square 8 by 8 inches or 7 by 7 inches. And grease it and add the greaseproof paper to it. So in a heat-proof bowl, cut up your butter with the dark chocolate, and you want to place it over a saucepan like this, which has got hot water in it. But make sure that the bottom of the pan isn't touching that hot water. So you place it on top of there, and you have to allow this all to melt gently on the heat-proof bowl that you're using. It's dry, and if you're going to mix it, make sure that you use a dry spoon as well. Now in a bowl, your mixing bowl, you want to break in your 3 eggs and add the sugar. Next step, you need either a standing mixer or handheld electric mixer. As you can see, the chocolate's all melted. If there's a few little lumps left in there, you can just turn off the heat and they will just melt in the heat of the chocolate. So I'm going to turn off the heat now. This took about 5 or 6 minutes to melt. So you know that your mixture's done, and it makes a tray like this. Cut up your milk chocolate and your white chocolate like this in little cubes. The flour and the cocoa powder in some bowls. Add the chocolate mixture to the egg mixture like this. And mix it in just fold it in, don't mix it too rigorously because you don't want to get rid of the air that's in the eggs. So add your plain flour and your cocoa powder to the chocolate mixture and fold it in the same way as you folded it in the chocolate. Make sure you're folding it in gently so you don't get rid of any of the air. Here's the mixture. Now to this you add your milk chocolate and your white chocolate and gently mix it in. You're going to pour the mixture into your tray and then just level it out like this with your spatula. You're going to place the tray into the oven and bake it for at least 35 minutes. The brownies have been baking now for 35 minutes. They're done now. The centre is still a bit soft, but you leave the brownies to cool for at least a good 3 to 4 hours, and then the centre will harden up a little bit. So here are the finished brownies. They're really gooey in the centre and fudgy as well. So I hope you like this recipe, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
Did somebody